Do you remember when everything changed? When did you know that you'd be leaving Tibet?
My uncle, my dad's younger brother, he was the first bloke from our village who went out of village to Lhasa and do his own business. He would return home once a year during Tibetan New Year. So one day he came home from Lhasa with one of his friends. He told the family that he's going to take me and two of my cousins to Lhasa. Next morning, my whole family were crying, hugging us. Since I was a kid, we were excited to go out of our village, but then we were confused because family members are crying and hugging us. And after staying in Lhasa for quite some time, one night we were taken to a truck. The back of the truck was fully covered. Someone just lifted us onto the truck, and when we entered the truck, it was almost full and there is hardly space to sit. We traveled in that truck for some time. After some time, that truck was stopped in a big, empty, dark place, and someone told us to get down. My uncle was hugging us and telling us to be good. And my uncle just went back to Lhasa in that truck.